Okay, so I'm gonna pressure wash my edger. Get it out here. Yeah, because that seems like the best way to do it. So, yeah, I got an electric pressure washer. It's not very strong, but it'd be better than just a straight hose. Okay, I got my edger pressure washered up. Yeah, didn't do the best, but at this point, there's not much else I can do. Hopefully, next time I get a project like this, I'll get something slightly less dirty. Hi all, so it's been a while since I did a video. That's because I was in California for a few days. But I'm back now, and I'm taking a break from the edger. Got a different project for today. My go-kart suddenly stopped working, but it still has spark. And when I spray carb cleaner, not carb cleaner, sorry, starting fluid in the carburetor, it pops, but that's about all it does. So what probably happened is the main jet got clogged with something. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this apart and clean it up. Okay, so I took off the air filter and all that piece. I'm gonna do next, yeah, take off the gas tank. It's kind of hard to do because it's all attached to the body. It's attached all over in there. So that's gonna be a bit. Okay, the gas tank is no longer attached, but it's still kind of on there. So all I have to do is take off these two bolts, and I can take off the carburetor and clean out the jets. Okay, so I didn't film much yesterday after I said I was going to clean out the carburetor. Well, I did that, and it still didn't run. So my next guess was, solid spark plug. So I bought a new one. It's Champion. I'm just gonna replace the spark plug and see what happens when I do that. Let's see if this spark is any better. It's somewhat better, but not much. So if this doesn't work, next thing, yeah, clean out the dots like I did with the edger. Perfect. Don't do this at home. Well, what I just did. I'm gonna get my brother out here and have him step on the gas once it pops. There's something wrong with my throttle linkage, and it's not initiating it anymore, but when I hit the governor, it popped and then stopped. So yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, it does, but I'm gonna have to figure out what I did wrong with my throttle linkage. I'll get back to you. This is not related to fixing the linkage or that on the go-kart. I know what's wrong. Gotta fix it, but I finished the handle and it looks pretty cool. Yeah. I had a new spark plug, and if I hadn't done such a bad job with spray painting, it might be taken for brand new. Hey. Yeah. I pressure washed this and not much came off. So at this point I'm just gonna take the angle grinder and grind it down to its bare bones basically. But before I do that, I'm just gonna take everything apart pretty much. Probably taking pictures so I know where everything is, because I've had that problem before, forgetting stuff. And then grind it all down and paint it. I do want to do the painting, but I'm not exactly looking forward to taking apart each piece and grinding them all down. So I've kind of put that off for a bit, procrastinating. But I did have a good excuse. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to that. Okay, this is test number 2. Actually, well yeah, anyways. Fix the throttle connection. I hope it idles like it did last time. And I can just hit the gas. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get a test run with this. Filming, it's going to be tough because the camera probably just going to fall out of place. I'll try though.